Sit. Gunner and Lottie. We have 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go hide these. Watch me. I'm going to hide all 3. What I want you to do, when you find the first one, you bring it back to me, you drop it up. Good girl. And you'll get a goodie. The second one, you find it. Back up, Lottie. Up. Good girl. And you do the same. You bring it, drop it, I'll give you a goodie. The third one, you find it, bring it to me and drop it, and I will give you a goodie and lots of praise. So you stay. Now, I've hidden them in different places today. I don't have them, do I? So when I tell you to go, you go find them. Go find them! Bring it. Bring, excellent! Excellent, both of you, bring one, bring it. Oh. Gunner, Lottie, let's bring it to me, right here. And drop it. Gunner, get the other one. There you go. Come on. Over here, bring it. Gunner, Lottie, come here, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Lottie, Lottie, come on. Good boy, Gunner. Okay. Ah, that's a good boy. Okay, stop right here. Stop. Stop. Drop it. Drop. Good boy. Good girl. Gunner, Gunner, back here. I haven't told you to go yet. Come here. Okay, go find the other one. Go find it. No, Lottie, there's more. Go find it. Bring it. Where'd it go, Gunner? Excellent. Drop. Good girl. Gunner, there's one more. Go find it. Go find it. Lottie, you know where it's at. Go on, go find it. Oh, Gunner doesn't have it. Maybe Lottie found it. Where'd it go, Lottie?